In this session, I am going to discuss write a program to take 5 student names and display 5 student names in order. Okay, now if without using arrays concept, I am going to take 5 variables and then assigning that particular student names to 5 different variables, and then that 5 variables has to be fetched. Okay, now by using arrays, what's the syntax we had discussed in the previous class? Okay, now this particular student names is going to come in which format? It is going to be of which data type? It is going to be of string data type. So include the string header file. Hash include string. Okay, whenever you are going to use string in your program, then you are going to include this header file in your program. Okay, now string. Okay, what is the variable you want to take? What's the variable I want to take? Student name. Okay, this is the variable name I have given. Okay, variable name I have given. If you want to differentiate this particular student name, I'm going to write. This is not going to be considered as one variable. If you want to differentiate this one, okay, then use underscore. It's going to be treated as single variable. Now you want to declare how many student names you want to take how many student names you need to take 5 student names. So length has to be declared here 5. Okay, now what is the question? Write a program to take 5 student names. That's nothing but five names will be entered by the user. Then you are going to take that particular 5 student names. Okay, then you are going to make in the loop. Okay, that's nothing but this particular scene is going to be 5 student names it is going to take. So I'm going to make it inside the loop. Okay, it's going to be inside the loop I plus plus. Okay, now you're telling that student name has to be entered. Okay, is going to be entered. Okay, now that's all. Okay, that's the only change you're going to, okay, that's the thing you're going to add. Okay, now this student 0, okay, now it's going to be incremented. Again, it is going to come into this loop. Like this, it is going to come into the loop and it is going to execute. Okay, now what's the next thing? It is going to display that 5 student names. You need to display 5 student names. First loop, this is the loop you're going to take the student names. Other loop you're going to make the console output. Okay, console output. Whatever the student name is going to be, that particular name will be shown at the console. Okay, shown at the console. Okay, before that you are telling that cout enter the student name. Enter student. Okay, student 1. Okay, enter student 1. Then what you are writing here? Student name. Okay, student name of 1. Okay, first student name you want to see. Okay, first student name. Then you are writing it as colon, and then you are taking first iteration, it is going to be 0. So I am making it as I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1. That's all. Okay, that's all I am going to make. Okay, fine. And then one more space I need. Okay, fine. Okay, now that's all. Okay, that's all the change. Enter student name, and it is going to give colon 1. Then space it is going. Okay, space it is giving. Okay, space I need. Okay, otherwise I'll do one thing. Okay, I'll make it here itself. Okay, here after displaying this particular number, then I need colon. And then I'm going to take the student name. Okay, student name. Okay, now let's run this program. Okay, enter student name. You can see this complete pattern. Okay, enter student underscore name. Then what you have given? One space you have given. For first iteration, I is going to be 0. Now what you have written? I plus 1. That's nothing but 0 plus 1. It is going to be 1. Okay, whenever it is going to iterate, the I value is going to be plus 1. Okay, at that particular iteration. Now I am going to write the particular names of the students. I am writing Shilpa. Okay, the student name Neha I am writing. Okay, I am writing it as Srinita. Okay, that's fine. Okay, 3 names I have given. Next, then I am going to write Sneha. Okay, now this particular 5 student names it is expecting. 5 student names it is expecting. So you are going to enter how many names? You are going to enter 5 different names. Okay, 5 different names. Okay, I am entering this particular 5 different names. That particular 5 different names has to be displayed at the console. Okay, it is displaying. In which pattern? It is displaying without any end line. Okay, it is taking the details in the same pattern. I want to display the console also. Then what is the change I am going to make? Okay, I am going to tell that this is student name. Okay, now display in the same pattern. Okay, display in the same pattern. Okay, display in the same pattern. Okay, here I need student name. Student name. Okay, student name 1. Okay, student name, and then one is so and so, and then the particular variable is going to be fetched, and then it is going to give one E and DL line. That's nothing but end of the line. Okay, now let's run this program again. Okay, let's run this program. I'm going to give Ajay, Arun. Okay, I'm going to give some Pradeep. Okay, I'm going to give some Pradeep and Shrikant. Okay. Enter any student names. Okay, it is going to take or not, it will able to see. Okay, Anil. Okay, now see here. After taking student names, it is giving in the same pattern. Student one name 1, Ajay. Student name 2. Whatever the pattern we had taken, that particular pattern is going to display in the console also. Okay, now if after taking the values, I want to clear the screen and then I want to display. Okay, I want to clear the screen and I want to display. Then that's going to be CLS, clear screen, okay, clear screen. I'm going to clear the screen and then again I'm going to display the particular content, okay. Now, okay, Ajay, okay, Arun, some Vijay, okay, some Vinay, okay, some Arjun, okay, fine. These are the 5 student names. After taking the student's name, it is going to which line? It is going to system CLS, and then it is going to fetch that particular student name. That's your program requirement and you have done this one. Okay. Go to next example. Till now we had done the arrays in single dimensional. Now I learned how you are going to perform with 2 dimensional. Okay, 2 dimensional. So for this, write a program to perform addition with 2 matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Okay, to perform the addition, we need to take the 2 matrices. Okay, for example, if I am taking matrix A of 2 by 2, okay, 2 rows and 2 columns, okay, 2 by 2 I am taking, okay. Now one more I am taking matrix B, it is going to be of 2 by 2, okay, 2 by 2 I am taking, okay. Now I have declared this 2 dimensional. This is not nothing but this is the arrays. This is the arrays. If I am writing only A in the rectangle box 2, then it is going to take 2 elements. It is going to be a single dimensional. Now if I am going to declare this way, okay, 2 and 2 again, and it is nothing but it is going to be 2 dimensional. It's going to be of 2 dimensional. Now it's going to start from 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0 and 1, 1 it is going to take. Okay. Now let's get started with this program. How I am going to perform the two matrices addition. Okay, and I'm going to take the nested loops. Okay, if you have finished the nested loop session, then you'll understand this program. Otherwise, go and refer to the previous session nested loops. Okay, then come back to this session again. Okay, for int I, okay, for int I equal to 0, I less than, I'm writing it as 2, that's nothing but it's going to be 0 and 1 only, okay, I plus plus, 0 and plus plus, okay, then enter into the loop, and now again perform one more for int j equal to 0, okay, j less than 2, J plus plus, okay, J plus plus, okay. Now see here. Now what is the operation you want to perform in this? Now what's the operation you want to perform in this? See in, you want to take the elements, okay, the elements of matrix A. Okay, let's see, just see this example, okay. Now see, A plus B. Now this is the elements of A, this is the elements of B. Okay, now I had taken 2 by 2. I had taken 2 by 2. That's nothing but A11, A12, A121, A22. This is the 4 elements I am going to take. In the B, I am going to take 4 elements again. With these 4 elements and with these 4 elements, I am going to sum these 4 elements and I am going to display the result. Okay. Now see here. See, greater than A of whatever it is going to take the values, okay, what are the values it is going to be, okay. Now it's going to take I value first. Okay, now it's taking J. Now it's taking J. That's nothing but first for the first execution. For the first execution, it's going to be A of 0, 0. Okay, and the next execution, it is going to take A of 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1. Okay, in the next execution, it is going to take. Okay, it's going to take 1 0, it's going to take 1 0, and then it's going to take, okay, next it's going to take 1 1, it's going to take 1 1. Okay, that's how it is going to iterate, and what it is going to iterate 4 times, and 4 times 4 elements is going to be fetched, 4 elements is going to be taken, okay, taken by the user. Okay, the same thing you are going to take B elements also, so try to do the B elements also, the same loop. Okay, now it's try to execute the same thing, but you need to take now this time B. For first iteration, it is going to take 0 0, then second iteration 0 1, then third iteration is going to 1 0, then fourth iteration is going to take the elements for B 1 1. Okay, now the A elements and B elements are ready. Now what is the next step? You need to calculate A plus B, and then you need to display the result. You need to display the result. That's nothing but you can take one more variable here, or you can directly write A plus B. Okay, I'll tell you the two ways. Okay, I'll tell you the two ways. Okay, there. Now in the next iteration, now see here, the next iteration, the next loop. Okay, it is going to perform the logic. It's going to perform the logic A. Okay, B of I. Okay, now already elements are present. Now you need to display. You need to display for particular C equal to C. Okay, Cij equal to, okay, Cij equal to, this particular result is going to be stored in C matrix. Okay, the result is going to be stored in C matrix. In C matrix it is stored. Okay, now see here, C matrix, the result is stored, and then you are going to fetch the particular data. You are going to fetch the data. Okay, now the C, it is stored. Okay. I use the lowercase t, so it is telling undefined. Okay, it is case sensitive language. When you are using lowercase, you are going to use lowercase. When you have declared it as capital letter, then you should write capital letter. Okay, this now. Okay, the calculation is done. Okay, the calculation is done. Now, how you are going to see the values? Now, how you are going to see the values? Okay, how you are going to see the values? Okay. Now, how you are going to see the values are nothing but first it is going to be fetched after each execution. After each execution, it need to give the tab space. It need to give a tab space. C out. Okay, at that time C of I, then C of J, then it is going to give some tab space. Okay, capital C, and then it is going to expect the tab space, and then it is going to call. Okay, after finishing one row, after finishing this row, then it need to come to next line. There's nothing but whenever the inner loop fails, it need to come to next line, and it's going to give a new line. Okay, let's run this program and see. Okay, as I have taken 2 by 2 matrix, it's going to expect 4 elements for A, 4 elements for B. Okay, I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for the matrix A. For matrix B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now enter this one. Now the particular result is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, to understand better what we will write here, before entering to taking the values, I am writing it here. Enter elements of matrix A. Okay, matrix A. Then it is going to take the elements for the matrix A. Then it is going to fetch the data. Then it is going to tell that enter the matrix B. Okay, enter the matrix B. Okay, here enter the matrix B. Then after calculation, whenever you are going to see at that time the sum of matrix A plus B. Okay, sum of matrix A plus B. Okay, sum of matrix A plus B is going to be shown. Okay, I'm taking some, okay, 5, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then again for matrix B, I'm entering 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now what is the sum it is expected? Okay, sum it need to come to next line, right? Next line, I didn't put the end line, so it is taking that particular line only. Okay, let's put one more line here, E and DL. E and DL is nothing but end of the line. After finishing this line, it is going coming and taking the next line. Okay, let's run this program. It is giving correct result only. Line alignment is not good. Okay, so I am running it again. Okay, now I am taking these four values. Okay, now again 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now sum of matrix A plus B equal to 7 plus. Okay, 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, it is giving 12. Next element, 7 plus 7, it is giving 14. Next, 8 plus 8, it is giving 16. 9 plus 9, it is giving 18. Okay, that's how it's going to be calculated by using this particular two-dimensional arrays. By using two-dimensional arrays, you are able to calculate this way. Okay, hope you understood this one. Okay, now one more thing. If you don't take the variable C also, that's fine. It will execute. How it will execute if you don't take C value? Okay, if you don't take C value also, it will execute. Okay, for example, here itself, without writing this particular C, I am performing this particular addition in this particular case only, in this way only, without taking variable. Directly I am writing, passing the value here. Okay, but still it will run. It will run. Okay, there is no problem with this. Okay, without taking variable C, let me remove here also. So without taking variable C also, you can do it. Okay, you can run the program. Okay, now I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. And B matrix I am giving 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's how it's going to return. See here, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Okay, that's how it is going to work without taking the variable. Okay, without taking the variable C. Okay, now, let the user decide what is the order of that particular matrix to be. Let the order to be decided by the particular, order let be decided by the user. Okay, now I am taking the static values A of 10, A of 10, that's nothing but maximum is going to be 10 by 10. Okay, now let the particular user enter Cout. Okay, now enter the order of matrix. Let the user decide what's the order of the matrix. Then for that you need to take one more variable. That's nothing but n is going to be integer type, and then you are going to tell to the user to enter the value. So he is going to enter some 2. Okay, then that particular it is going to calculate 2 by 2. If he is entering 3 by 3, okay, the addition is going to perform whenever the rows and columns is going to be same. Okay, then n. Here also you are expecting n. Okay, n. Okay, that's nothing but whatever he is going to enter, that's going to be iterating that many times, and it is going to give the result. Okay, now see here, n. Okay, fine, n. Okay, let's run this program and see. Okay, before we had given 2 by 2. Now I am going to give, okay, let the order be 3. Okay, now it is expecting 3 by 3. That's nothing but 9 elements is going to be expected. Let's enter 9 elements. Okay, 9 elements is expected. Okay, then I am again giving the same sequence. Okay, fine. Again 9 elements to be entered for matrix B. Now the resultant is going to be calculated and is going to give in the format of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, let the user be deciding what is the order of the matrix. Then you are going to give the sum of this particular matrix. Okay, that's how you are going to perform using the arrays of two-dimensional. Okay, now this particular I have entered 2 by 2 before, static 2 in 2 and 2 here, and now I made it at maximum 10, and then this particular enter the order of matrix. The user is going to decide what is the order of the matrix. Then the change you are going to make, instead of 2 static you have written before, because I have written here 2. Okay, now I am making the particular user to enter till that particular number it is going for that particular iterations, and it is going to take 0 0 0 1 in the case of 3 0 0 0 1 0 2, and again 1 0 1 1 1 2 2 0 2 1 2 2, like that it is going to take 9 elements. Okay, that's how it is going to work for the two-dimensional arrays. Okay, that's all for this session. Let's continue on the next session.